So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to install an app in Macbook. So first of all, go to your app drawer and then just try and hit this trick. Just move it to bin. Just catch that icon and drag it to bin. If it works, then it's jolly good. If it doesn't work, then we have the second trick. Okay, so here you can see that the first trick is not working. So what we can do is to go back to this Finder, and within Finder go to application, and within application folder you can see that the various applications are there. Now you can directly right click and go to move to bin. Okay, then we have all these applications. Here you can see that, right click and move to bin. Again, the app that you want to uninstall, just right click on that and then you have to select move to bin. Okay, I'm doing the same for these various applications, but somehow we have uninstall tools also for various applications, then we can use that also. Here you can see that it is the VirtualBox uninstall tool. I can use this also, and the second and the best option is to right click and move to bin. It's the master trick. Then I choose this also. Okay, so now we have this application parallel desktop. I have to also move it to bin. Some application will demand your password also, so you have to provide the password also. Okay, and now almost it is done, and now I have to check within the app drawer that the applications are uninstalled successfully or not. So go to this launchpad and here you can check that the applications uninstalled successfully. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe Techno Learning.